going to teach you how to change label color in Gmail. Customizing your email labels not only helps you organize your inbox more efficiently, but it also allows you to personalize your Gmail experience to suit your preferences. A well-organized inbox can make a huge difference in productivity, helping you quickly identify important emails and manage your messages more effectively. To get started, head over to your Gmail inbox. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of your labels underneath your main categories like primary and social. Take a moment to glance through them and decide which label you want to update. Once you've selected the label, look to its right where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your labels options menu. Go ahead and click those dots to open the menu. The menu allows you to do a variety of actions related to your label, including editing, removing, and more. But today, we're focusing on changing the color. Once the menu is open, hover your cursor over the option that says Label Color. When you do this, a palette of colors will appear. This is a beautiful display offering a variety of shades to choose from. If you have a specific color in mind for better organization or aesthetic reasons, this is where you decide. Feel free to click through the available options until you find the one that fits your needs best. Remember, this color will serve as a visual key for this label in your inbox, so choose one that stands out to you or matches your organizational theme. A well-chosen color can help you spot important emails at a glance without even reading the subject line. If none of the preset colors are exactly what you want, Gmail also allows you to create a custom color. At the bottom of the palette you'll see a button labeled Add Custom Color. Clicking this opens a broader range of hues. You can enter a hex code if you know the exact color you want, or simply use the color picker to experiment with different shades until you find the perfect one. Once you've settled on a color, click on it and it will instantly be applied to your label. That's it. You've successfully changed the color of a label in Gmail. This simple trick makes your inbox not only more organized, but also visually appealing and easier to navigate. You can repeat these steps for any other label you want to customize. Over time, your inbox can become a fully color-coded system, helping you quickly prioritize emails, reduce stress, and improve your workflow. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your newly organized and colorful Gmail experience. And happy organizing.